In Web3, we've seen DeFi summer, NFTs, meme coins. But behind the hype, one problem never went away. Liquidity runs away faster than it arrives. Protocols spend millions on incentives, and when rewards end, users leave. Yield disappears. Communities fade. DeFi is powerful, but it was never designed for long-term, sustainable liquidity. BSX Protocol is built to change that. It's not just another DeFi farm, not another temporary narrative. BSX Protocol is a next-generation protocol integrated directly with an exchange, turning real trading volume into real demand for its token. This is where CeFi liquidity meets DeFi autonomy. This is CeDeFi. Let's break down the pain point in simple words. Most DeFi protocols rent liquidity. They print tokens, pay huge APR, attract farm and dump capital. And once rewards slow down, that capital disappears. Result? Liquidity vanishes. Token price crashes. Community loses trust. The system was never built to own its liquidity and never connected to a real economic engine like an exchange. BSX Protocol changes the rules of the game. Instead of chasing liquidity outside, BSX Protocol locks its liquidity inside the exchange, on YuBit, and channels real trading fees back into the ecosystem. YuBit Exchange, top 50 cryptocurrency exchange, is Protocol core foundation. BSX Protocol built around YuBit ecosystem. The aim is to increase YuBit customer base, brand exposure, and customer quality by Academy. Hence, YuBit Exchange's perpetual trading activity will returns into BSX to create continuous buy pressure for BSX. Liquidity doesn't leak out to random pools. It stays in the system, driving a simple but powerful equation: demand greater than supply. At the center of this design is the BSX token, the ecosystem token that connects everything together. BIT, the Layer 1 blockchain token. POB, the bond certificate generated from the BSX Protocol bond system. FTT, the YuBit future trading token that enables clients to trade with zero cost. BSX has 4 core jobs: capture value from the bond system, capture value from YuBit Exchange buybacks, power the CeDeFi loop through staking and rewards, gain future trading token to reward BSX staking users. In simple terms, more ecosystem activity, more demand for BSX, continuously shrinking circulating supply, higher value of BSX, more BSX, staking, more future trading token generated. This ecosystem is not built in isolation. BSX Protocol is deeply integrated with YuBit Exchange, a top 50 global cryptocurrency exchange with around 70 billion USD in daily contract trading volume and over 120 million USD in asset reserves, verifiable on public trackers. YuBit allocates a portion of its perpetual trading revenue to buy back BSX and treats BSX as part of its reserve asset strategy. Users earn future trading token FTT by staking BSX. That means the protocol isn't just depending on new users, it's plugged into a real revenue engine. So how does the BSX Protocol value loop actually work? Users enter the ecosystem by buying bonds. Part of that goes into BTH, which is permanently burned. The bond mints POB, the proof of bond certificate. POB can be used to unlock or stake for BSX. BSX can then be staked on YuBit to earn future trading tokens, FTT. FTT is used for perpetual contract trading. Trading creates fees. A portion of those fees is used by YuBit to buy back BSX on the market. The result is a closed, positive loop. Bond to POB to BSX to FTT to trading fees to BSX buyback to higher demand. As a participant of BSX Protocol, you're not just buying a token. You're entering an ecosystem designed for yield income from bonds and staking, referral income through the BSX Protocol reward structure, exposure to exchange-grade liquidity and security, a token model where demand is constantly fueled by real trading activity, and a community that is rewarded for building, not just speculating. It's DeFi, but with a real engine behind it. Most platforms tell you to trade. BSX Protocol chooses to teach you first. Through BSX Academy, the ecosystem brings in experienced traders and educators to guide the community on perpetual trading, risk management, and strategy. Combined with FTT trading bonuses, members can learn to trade with reduced fees and lower upfront capital, turning knowledge into an asset, not just luck. BSX Protocol is the first CeDeFi protocol to deeply integrate with a major exchange, locking liquidity at the CEX level while keeping governance and rewards in the protocol's hands. You've just seen the big picture, how the protocol works, why YuBit matters, and how the ecosystem forms a positive, sustainable loop. In the next video, we'll go deeper into the engine itself, how BSX Protocol bonds work, step by step, with real number examples. Welcome to BSX Protocol, the birth of a new liquidity order.